Thinking about buying or selling a home and wondering if a local realtor is really worth it? Let's dive into why tapping into local expertise can be the smartest move you make for a smoother, more successful real estate journey. First, neighborhood knowledge is power. Local realtors are neighborhood experts. They have insights into the nuances of specific areas that you simply can't find online. They know the school districts, upcoming developments, crime rates, and even the best spots for coffee. This inside scoop helps you find the perfect fit for your lifestyle and needs. Next, pricing strategies are crucial. A local agent understands the fair market value of properties in your area, meaning they use hyperlocal data to determine the best selling price for your home or negotiate effectively when you're buying. They can spot trends, understand comparable sales, and guide you towards a winning offer or the best possible return on your investment. They also come with community connections. Local realtors are often deeply involved in their communities. This means they have connections with other professionals like lenders, contractors, and inspectors who can help streamline the buying or selling process. So, should you hire a local realtor if you want an edge in the market, a knowledgeable guide through the process, and a smoother transaction? The answer is a resounding yes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips.